Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to show or hide notification icon in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. In Windows 10, the notification icon on the taskbar can be shown or hidden by adjusting the taskbar settings. You can either remove it entirely from view or re-enable it if you want quick access to notifications. Using System Settings, open Settings, Windows key +I. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Under Notification Area, click Turn System Icons on or off. Locate Action Center. This controls the notification icon. Switch on to display it. Switch off to remove it. Important notes. Hiding the icon does not disable notifications. You'll still receive alerts, but you won't see the notification indicator on the taskbar. You can always access notifications by pressing Windows key +A, opens the Action Center. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.